actually do it.
Bring me that bacon. Me that bacon.
Who doesn't like bacon?
Choose your pig.
That's a pig.
Choose your pig.
That is a pig. So that's a tank pig. It's a scared pig. It's a magician pig.
Necro pig.
Okay. Necro pig. Pig romancy.
Necro pig.
So you got tank, scared pig,
Necro pig.
necro pig. I guess I'll play the tank pig then.
Tank.
So,
Tank. Tank. Tank.
we have a tank pig.
Necro pig. Choose one spell. Choose one spell.
This is you doing the voiceover, is it? Pulled pork throws out a flaming lasso towards a targeted position. If a pig gets it, he will be pulled towards you. Okay. Lobs out an aid kit. Rock push. Wompy Dumpy. Jump. Hide your ass in plain sight. So that's like Shadow Meld. Tread back. Returns to the... hang on a second. Returns to the location 5 seconds ago and restores percentage of distance lost. That could be quite good for tanking. That's increased movement speed. Heals ally. So what was the Q? I think Rock Push could be fun. Let's go with Rock Push. Whenever your pig casts a spell, a new spell will appear for 5 seconds. Hotkey D. So Soul Pigs apparently after using a Q.
Starving wife. Starving wife. Starving kid. Starving kid. There's only one way out of this. There's only one way out of this.
It's pretty dark. Kenneth has a surprise for
They're
us.
escaping! After them! They're escaping! After them!
Ah, no! You've got me, boys. I'm teleporting away. And he's child. They're coming for us. They're hungry. There's a secret shop here. It says Dota. Teleport. Use your abilities if you got them.
Yummy.
Eat crops. Consume nearby crops from inside Kenneth's farm to restore 3 hit points per second. Must stand still while eating. So I can push pigs around, but I don't think I can affect Farmer Kenneth. He's just too big and strong. Oh, I can't teleport for ages. 3 seconds until he's surprised. Okay, we survived the surprise. Exchange for 1 gold. Perk points are gained over time and by aiding allies in need. So I can level that up, get another point, because we're 1 out of 2 here. Gonna try the tread back. Increase the pig's movement speed for 9 seconds. Temporary.
About them pigs again.
Stephen,
Yelling
come
about them
down
pigs
here
again.
immediately, old man. Down
All
here
right, you maniac.
immediately,
Just
old
let
man.
me load my
All right,
gun
you maniac.
here. Just let me load my gun here.
Man, it's a tough life being a pig. They're coming. Get away. Save yourselves. Wow. Three to 9 damage. I might go and nick some crops. They're hungry, so am I. I guess... Oh, is that a crop? Yeah. Get out of here, boys. Hey, that's his wife. She seems pretty passive so far. Oh, nice rune of healing. Get away. Can spirit link with the other pigs. Alright, let's go for an E ability. Increasing movement speed seems solid. Oh, knock back enemies. If I'm going to be playing like a tank type character. Then we're going to have to protect. Possibly save money for like the most expensive stuff. The highest of the quality. What? Casting a spell has a chance to destroy the item. Well, I'm just not going to buy that. Right?
Up the hunt.
But you keep up
the hunt.
It's a strange sounding child.
I've rested enough. Let me help you, sir. Let me help you, sir.
Blimey. No, I'm not AFK. I was looking at the abilities. Oh, I see. Red, blue. Let's get it. So, can I charge this guy? Ow. Charging did not work. Heal.
Yummy.
Attacks like a nutter.
Yummy.
Thought he was going to be resting. Got another shop over here. Oh, I see. So if I use that ability, then I can... That child is coming over. Causes me concern. Jolly Panda. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to do tread back before I take damage. Oh, I see it ported me over there instantly, so it's not like a delay to it. Oh, thank you. I don't have an easy way out of this. Oh, I just used my charge and... Oh, that was close. That ensnare is really annoying. Heals a target ally, heals the target over time. I think target ally over time would be better for me as a tank. So you just exchange perk points for gold.
You grab one end. Son, you grab the other, and then swing it back to me. Now, listen. It is very important that you do not touch it.
Okay, stay away from that. Oh, I see.
There.
Wow.
Not there. Purple pig dog.
Oh, that looks bad.
Purple pig dog. Yellow pig dog.
Hurry.
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 Hurry. Pig dog. I meant the other left. I meant the other left.
I'm eating them crops.
I said there. Not there. There. Not there.
Purple pig dog. Purple pig
Couldn't
dog.
save him. This rock
I
push is really
said
hard to
there.
work.
Not there. There. Not there. No, that's not right.
It works I don't think it works
That's
myself.
right. That's not right. That's right.
So I guess the best ability so far is probably the charge. Oh, I see. The perk points are used for upgrading those charges. So I get another new ability? 4 out of 5? Or is that just... Oh, I see. I can put point into this, maybe. Gonna have to take a proper look at those items soon.
There. Hey there.
It's very good. Level 5 boss. No revives. Run for your lives. Oh, that little jump. That's so good. You can use that over trees, man. I'm trying to come over. What's he doing? It looks like he's fixated on me. Oh, he's got me, boys. So once he's got you, I think you're stuck. Because I can't get out of this. So, some of you are just going to have to survive because I cannot get out of this. Looks like I'm done for, unless I can do a heal in a moment. I'll try and heal myself. That's it. Can't eat, can't get out. I can heal Lord Dressel though. Some high quality content right here. Only got 48 seconds left. Is there anyone left alive? Or is this it? Oh man, that's it.